What is going on, everybody? It's your boy SoFly Trades here, back with another video. And it is currently 6:41. The market has been open for 11 minutes. There was a big overnight move. I'm talking about insane overnight move, about a $6 move overnight. Price is sort of pulling back early morning, which I expected to do in order to get some more continuation. So I'm just letting price play out right now while I watch price structure to, look for my entry. I really would like to enter long simply because on the weekly time frame and the daily time frame, we're in an uptrend, a current uptrend. Now we're not past all-time highs, but in this specific little weekly daily range we're in, we're in an uptrend. So, and the behavior of price action has this week and last week has just dipped and then reclaimed to the upside. So I think I'm looking for longs today. But yeah, so far it's just kind of like chopping around, nothing much. Let me show you guys real quick. So as you guys can see, we had this insane move. Look at that, insane. Because Trump was meeting, he made a trade deal with, I guess, Great Britain. So the markets, they like that. But now I'm waiting for a pullback, hopefully to this, this 564 area could hold for longs. I might consider a long opportunity there, but we'll see. But I definitely do like that 564 since this is an area where price has rejected, boom, reject, boom, reject, and then breaking above, and now it needs to hold this previous area of support turned into demand. So I'm looking for some kind of price action telling me that it wants to hold this area. That's what SPX is looking like, because I like to use SPX for, what the hell? There we go. I like to use SPX for a confluence. And so far it's holding this 56, 59, basically 60 area. But we'll see. I'll update you guys in a little bit. Now in longs, off of my 564 key level that I was telling you guys I was looking to go long off of. Hopefully we can take it to these pre-market highs right here. That'll be awesome. But, so far, got my stop under the lows. But, yeah, we'll see. See how this plays out. I'm risking about 138 bucks to make about 588, around that. Let's see how this works out. About 547 bucks, because I'm gonna put it on, near recent highs, if we can see that today. But we'll see. I'll update you guys soon.
stopping out if we break these lows. Definitely stopping out a loss of $133.
Ever since I had to reset my account, bro, it's like I can't get a good read on the markets or something. Not even a good read, it's just like, I guess, I don't know, I can't get a good read on the markets. I know for a fact, though, every time I make a rule about not trading overnight, we get a mean overnight move because Trump met, and made a trade deal or something Trump did, at nighttime or in the evening that makes the market go up. And since I have a rule, I can't participate in it. And that's where a lot of money was made, So I'm trying to find an equilibrium, bro. Because it's like, do I really want to rule out not trading after hours all the time when moves like that happens? I don't know. I'm just trying to figure this shit out, bro. But I guess price is selling off now. Price actually wants to sell off now. When I was going short, not yesterday. I didn't take any trades yesterday. The day before, nothing worked. No short opportunities worked. Now you telling me shorts want to be valid right now? It's all good. I'll be looking for shorts on the pullback. Currently trying to figure out what the next move is going to be, because we are in the intraday downtrend, but this could reverse. This could just be like a dip to continue pricing the upside, but I don't want to have a bias, Right now my 2-minute is telling me shorts, 5-minute telling me shorts, 15-minute is telling me short. The only thing I'm concerned about, I think, is the hourly. Hourly is telling me buyers are hiding here for now. So I think I just want to be super cautious in this area. Because if we reclaim this 564 with another retest, I'll go long again. Because look at that. This price action lately is just crazy, bro. Like, I think it could have just took the dip just to go long. Swept some liquidity just to go long. But we'll see. I'll update you guys soon. Currently in longs, off the same key level, 564. Looks like we're having a character change intraday. This gonna be my last trade. I'm not trying to sit here all day going back and forth and losing money if this trade were to go against me. If I were to lose this one, it just means that I'm having a harder time reading price action, which is fine. Come back another day. But I'll update you guys on the outcome. And of course, the market is just chopping around. I swear, bro, my last couple videos, this is all the market is doing, just chopping around, and I keep getting caught in that shit. So I'm down $319 today. I can only lose $350 a day. That's how I stopped myself from losing fucking $900 in a day. That's unacceptable. If I'd have had this rule set on my last accounts, I wouldn't even be in this position starting over. But it is what it is. I really don't care. But I lost the trade. Lost it after, it reclaimed. Just died off. I keep getting fucking faked out. It's crazy. But it is what it is. I can't control the market. I lost 2 times in a row. I had to lock my account. Anytime I lose 2 times in a row, I'm done, bro. I don't even care what's going on because my mentality ain't even gonna be there. I'm gonna be too busy trying to make money back. So I guess I'm calling it here for as far as the trading segment of the video, another red day. But it doesn't surprise me because lately I've just been getting absolutely wrecked. 0% win rate right now. Holy shit. See, I didn't take any trades yesterday. But yeah, this is the reality. This is the reality of trading, bro. One day you on top of the world, and the next it's just like you can't even read the market or something, or the market is just, not that you can't read it, but price action just isn't working in your favor at all. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. Get ready to go to school. Peace. All right. So I did some deep diving, and I now know where I've been going wrong. I've been entering off my 2-minute time frame. I did some digging into my trades. I did some digging into the trades today. I did some digging into the trades last week. I've been entering off my 2-minute time frame, and I have not been waiting on my 5-minute time frame confirmations subconsciously because I have to go to school, and I'll be having to cut my trading day early because I go to school. So I'm subconsciously trying to look for early entries and early moves to be in early on the move. And it's getting me stopped out early because of it. So what I did to combat this, I am completely removing my 5-minute time frame. I'm completely removing my 2-minute time frame. So that way I can't even look at it to get faked out. I can only watch for my 5-minute and 15-minute confirmations and make sure my 5-minute, 15-minute, and hourly are going in the same direction. That's how I'm gonna combat this. And then that's how, because now the market is just going up right now. The market is just completely going up right now. It smacked my price target I was looking for and everything. So I'm not even mad. I'm not, trust me, I'm on a losing streak right now, and I'm not mad. I'm actually glad because it tells you like you're doing something wrong, bro. There's something you doing that's wrong. And I was entering off my 2-minute. So now I'm just completely removing my 2-minute time frame. I'm not even gonna pay it any mind. I only want those 5-minute and 15-minute confirmations along with my hourly confirmation telling me price wants to go in the same direction. Because if I'd have just waited on that from the beginning, bro, I wouldn't even be in this position. I'm only down $319, $377 on the week, and it's Thursday. I'm only down $377, But I'm real interested to see how I can try to implement this tomorrow, Friday. Win or lose, I just want to implement this, to see. And I'm only trading 1 contract. That's another thing. Instead of going in 3 contracts immediately, I'm just trading 1. I just want to not even test it out. Number 1, I want to trade lighter. And number 2, yeah, I kind of do want to test it out because, I want to see is that the exact reason, because I think that's the exact reason, because I'm going off of 2-minute confirmations and not my 5 minutes, because my 5-minute confirmations would tell me not to take the 2 trades that I just took today. But we live and we learn. In this trading journey, we definitely live and we learn, bro. And I love it because I love learning, and it teaches me about myself. And I was just thinking, I was thanking God that he put me in this opportunity to be on this losing streak, to learn, you feel me? Because all these obstacles are only going to be used to make you better. So that's how you need to look at it. I'm trying to tell you, that's how you need to look at it, because most people will be upset that they're on a losing streak from last week until they almost passing an account, then blowing it, then having to reset both of them. You know how many people would just be mad right now? I'm not. I'm optimistic. I know I'm going to still get a payout before the end of this year. I know it. You feel me? But, like I was saying, we live and we learn. But I just want to show you guys the charts real quick. This is my 5 minute and 15 minute. I was doing some diagnosing of the trades. Let me just show you where I messed up at. I'm gonna change this to the 2 minute time frame. And I was entering on the highs of damn near the candlesticks. So my first trade, this is my 5 minute time frame. This is not telling me to buy, to go long. I seen this over here on my 2 minute time frame. So I'm like, oh man, it looked like it's holding this 564, because I told you guys I was watching this 564. So trying to get early to 566 and then if we were to break that to those pre-market highs that I was telling you guys about, hold on. Yeah, these pre-market highs up here at 568. But I'm looking at my damn 2 minute. Look at this 5 minute. This is not telling me to go long. This is noise. This is actually telling me price might actually want to go short, that there's sellers in the area. And I went long on this candlestick. Wait. Was it this candlestick? Give me 1 second. Checking my trades again. 656. 656, 656, 656. Oh, and this candlestick right here. This was the 656 candlestick. Got smacked. This is the 655 candlestick. I entered on this candlestick right here. If I'd have waited for the 5 minute close, I wouldn't have entered long off that. I already know it. And the second trade was at 7:32, about 30 minutes later. 7:32. Here it is, right here on the 2 minute time frame. I added right off of this because I was like, oh, we getting a little minor break of structure right here. Guess what? What time was this? 7:32, 7:30. I added on this 7:32 candlestick right here. Right here. No, that's a big no-no. I'd have waited for my 5 minute confirmations. I wouldn't even have took that. So, and we already, passed the level to where my stop would have been too wide. So I know that's where I went wrong. So guess what? People? We are taking the 2 minute off. Bye-bye 2 minute. The 2 minute is going forever, and I don't think it's coming back ever. So I'm sticking with the 5 minute and the 15 minute. Right. Price just smashing through levels now. Trying to tell you, bro, I'm locked in, bro. I don't give a fuck how long it takes. I don't. I'm gonna get me a payout from TopStep. You best believe that. So I'm implementing this tomorrow. We're gonna see how that worked out. You feel me? But I'm really glad, like I said, I could just show you guys where I went wrong. Because maybe that's where you going wrong. You feel me? And maybe you watching this video, God's sending me to help you out. So we helping each other out. You watching the video, and I'm helping you out while you watching the video. You feel me? So it's just it's like it's an equilibrium type shit. You feel me? Like, well, yeah, we finna. I'm trying. Yeah, we gonna get this motherfucking money out. We gonna get this motherfucking money out. Trying to tell you. Fuck. Not many people think, you feel me, somebody from B-More could trade. But guess what? I'm gonna show them. I motivate myself. Losing get me hyped. Losing just make me want to get even better. You feel me? It make me just wanna, it just, you feel me, sharpen my edge. It just sharpens my edge, bruh. I'm trying to tell you, every L is a lesson in me, bruh. And guess what? I just told you the lesson. I just showed you the lesson. Now my 2-minute time frame is gone. Lesson learned. Off my trades from this today and last. So I'm like, hold on, man. I keep adding them. You know what? So I'm taking it off. Simple. But yeah. But that's basically what I wanted to show you guys. I already locked my account, like I said I was gonna do, because I'm a man of my word. I gotta be a man of my word in this game of trading. You feel me? Still a red week. Probably gonna be a red week throughout the, it's probably gonna be a red week regardless. You feel me? Even if I do make money, because I'm not gonna be trying to make it back, bro. I'm only trading one contract. I'm not trying to make shit back. You feel me? I'm trying to trade properly and not add on the 2-minute time frame and wait for my 5-minute, 15-minute confirmation along with my hourly. Make sure all my time frames are confirming. Feel me? Once they confirm, damn, look at that. That's crazy. Let's see what that 30-minute look like again. Okay. Yeah, bro. Told you. I'm gonna get this shit down pat, bro. I'm trying to tell you. But I'm gonna see y'all at school. Peace. Feel me? The light Hugo Boss fit today. Feel me? Something light. Just cause I took an L today, you feel me? That don't mean I can't get a little drippy for the one time, you feel me? About to go to school. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all guys later. My goddamn, this what I be using to like hold my phone normally and stuff. I don't know, it just went limp dick mode on me, you feel me? Just went hella limp, you feel me? So maybe it need to be charged or something, I don't know. But yeah, another thing I'm glad about is I'm just able to keep my losses smaller this week. You feel me? Because last week is where I gave back all my bread, for real. And, even if it is a red week, I want to make sure I can minimize my losses as much as possible. But yeah, I'm really interested to see how this 2-minute, me removing my 2-minute is going to help me with my trading. But we'll see about that tomorrow. But yeah, I'll see y'all guys on my way to school. Peace. It's a beautiful day today. Feel me? Got the Alexander McQueen's on. Feel me? Something light. You feel me? With the Sachi. Something light. Yeah, I'm on my way to school. I'll see y'all when I get there. Feel me? Some slight shit. But yes, sir. Finna go in class though, and then we out. Oh, here we are. Family before everything. We just had a fire-ass discussion in class again on like why you need to have a car in America compared to like other countries and some shit. Feel me? Because here you gotta jump from like bus to trolley to bus. You know, you gotta keep switching it. And in other countries, you know, you got more options basically to get to your destination on where you're going. But yeah, it was just the whole thing. Drippy. But yeah.
No, yeah, literally.
But I'm finna go home, look at the charts and shit. Yeah. Slight Hugo Boss fit, you feel me? Type shit. And it feel good today. But I'm about to go to the post office. I gotta ship some shit to my boy. But yeah, we out. I'm gonna hit y'all a little bit later. You dig?